A very warm welcome of the day, my dear students. Hope you all will be fine by the grace of God. Students, today we will learn about experiment number 6 of Science 1. The aim of experiment is to measure temperature of hot water during natural cooling and plot the graph of temperature versus time. So, here, what requirement is there in this experiment? We will see we had to require a 250 ml glass beaker, thermometer. That thermometer should be graded from 0 degree to 100 degree. A clock, that is stopwatch, split lamp or burner, etc. So, what is the procedure, children? That we have to heat some water in beaker up to 100 degree, then put off burner, and when the water reaches 70 degree centigrade, we have to start measuring the temperature after every minute. We have to measure the temperature till the water reaches ambient temperature, and then we have to plot a graph of temperature versus time. Time will be in minutes. Children, now I'll show the video, and that time also I'll explain you how to do. We have to take this stopwatch. We'll see from starting. Let us see now. See, we have to take beaker, thermometer, stopwatch, stand, tripod stand, burner. Here we can see that we have heated the water, and then we will, after heating the water in beaker up to 100 degree, now we will put off the burner. We will measure the temperature. This is the reading. Here we remove the burner, and when the temperature of water reaches up to 70 degrees centigrade, we start measuring the temperature. We can see here the whatever the, so we can see here, children, that we start measuring the temperature after every minute, and we have to measure the temperature till the water reaches ambient temperature. I'll explain you what is ambient temperature. See the reading and graph. So we have seen here in this experiment, children, how to perform mainly, and already I told you that we have heated here some water in a beaker up to 100 degree, and after that we have to remove the burner. Again we have to measure the temperature by inserting the thermometer, and when the temperature of water reaches up to 70 degree, we have to start measuring the temperature after every 1 minute. We have to measure the temperature till the water reaches ambient temperature. Now what is ambient temperature? That I'll let you know. Ambient temperature means ambient temperature is the temperature of air which is surrounding a component. So we have to plot a graph of temperature versus time. That graph already I have shown you in the video. Children, what will be inference here now? What will be inference here? First, the rate of cooling of water is higher when the difference in the temperature of water and ambient is large. Second, this rate reduces as the temperature of water reduces due to cooling. So this way this experiment number 6 is over. You have to write everything from your science journal. Already it is given everything. and reading and all graph you can see from here, and this exercise question already I have given you. So thank you children.